welcome again to my channel. And this morning we were able to make our eggless mayonnaise. And this time, since we love to eat sandwich, we are making our eggless burger buns. But before we start baking, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for my future videos. Alright, so here are our ingredients for our eggless burger bun. We have here our 2 cups whole wheat flour, our 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup sugar, and our 1 cup milk. We're gonna be making this into buttermilk. Our 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and our 1/2 tablespoon of active dry yeast, and our salt. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is we need to make our buttermilk. If you have your homemade yogurt, or if you have yogurt available, you can use 1 cup of yogurt. But since I do not have one, let's just make our buttermilk. I have a 1 cup of milk and my 1 teaspoon of vinegar. We'll just have to combine this together. Mix. And leave this for 5 minutes. Alright, let's mix our 2 cups of whole wheat flour. One-4 cup of sugar. 1/2 tablespoon of yeast. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It is very important to put the salt far away from our yeast because the salt will deactivate our yeast. Our oil, 1/4 cup of oil. Okay, so this is already our buttermilk.
Wow!
As you see. And let's slowly put it in here. Slowly. By batches. And just mix. Feel like your dough is still wet, you can add flour and knead it. Okay, let's transfer it here. Let's dust our surface. Guys, you just keep on kneading until you will get a soft dough. And it will not stick to the surface anymore. See? It's not sticking. Okay guys, so look at our dough. It has become so soft and so smooth. Look at that. See? And we just have to let this rise for like 1 hour. Let's put a little bit of oil. And put in our dough. Okay, we just have to put in our dough and let this rise for 30 minutes to 1 hour and just have to cover this. Alright guys, it's already 1 hour. Let's try to see our dough. Look at that. Rises. It's beautifully risen, guys. Guys, we just have to finish everything here. So basically we'll be able to make 2, 4, 6, 8 burger buns. So after we make them into a circle, we'll just have to leave this for another 30 minutes to rise it again. Guys, so it's 30 minutes. So our buns are actually rising now. So what we're gonna do before we put this in the oven, we just have to brush this with milk. Top this up with Sesame Seeds. This will be in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And let's check this after 20 minutes. Okay guys, so this is already our finished product of our eggless burger buns.
Wow!
So we'll just have to put a little bit of butter on top just to give shine. It looks so yummy, so delicious. And we're gonna be making a veggie burger. We'll just have to let this cool, totally cool off, so we can proceed with our veggie burger. And this is already the result of our eggless burger buns. So this is whole wheat burger buns. So we'll try to cut this. Look at that. See? This is whole wheat burger buns.
Wow!
So On our next video, guys, I will be making our veggie burger. So please watch for that video tomorrow. Okay, so for now, thank you again for watching my videos today. So this is again another simple, quick, and cost-efficient recipe. Before we go, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for my future videos. So see you again on our next sumptuous recipes, only here at Barbz Kitchen. Bye!